Hello children, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Take your science workbook children with your classwork note. All of you take soon. Open it. Have you opened your book children? Open your book, page number 4, previous class homework. Children, I have given the answer for you. Look at the screen. You can check your answer. Now, page number 4, C. Complete the given flow chart. They give us flow chart types of plants. First one, tree. Trees. We want to give 2 examples. They give us 2 boxes. You want to write on. What did you write? What is your answer? Read your answer, children. Okay. Now look at the screen. I have given for trees banyan and coconut. You see that? Under you have another one box, no? You see first one trees. After that banyan, coconut. You want to write in the box. Okay, each of them you want to write in the box. You check your answer, all of you. If you write wrongly, you want to rub and write once again. Next, they give us grapevine. What types of plant? Grapevine is the climber. What is that? Climber plant. Children, you want to write above the grapevine. You have one box, no? You want to write climber. Look at the screen and write again. If you write wrongly, you want to write again. And after that you have grapevine. You have one box. What did you write? What is your answer? I have given pea plant. Check your answer, all of you. Next one. In the flow chart we have third one, shrubs. What is that? Shrubs. They give us one example, hibiscus. We want to write another one. Yes or no? What did you write? What is your answer? Look at the screen, all of you, and check your answer. I have given rose. Rose. Fourth one, you have blank box. And next one, mint. What types of plant? Mint is a herb. Yes or no? Mint is a herb. You want to write the first box, herb. Look at the screen. The fourth one I have given herbs. Next they give us mint. You want to write another one example. What did you write? What is your answer, children? Spinach. You want to write after that mint box. Next box you want to write spinach. Children, fifth one you have first box, blank box. They give us second example, bottle gourd. What type of plant? Bottle gourd is, what is that? Creepers. Children, after that fourth I have given under, you can see creepers. What is that? Creepers. Check your answer, all of you. Check your spelling also. The first box also you have blank. So you want to write pumpkin. What did you write, children? In your homework, what did you write? What is your answer? I have given pumpkin. If you write wrongly means you want to write. If you write correct answer like creeper, any creepers, no problem. That's good. I have given pumpkin. Okay, children, have you checked your homework? Okay, very good. Next homework, Application based question. A. Complete the given crossword. Did you write this homework, children? Yes or no? Say louder. Yes, very good, children. Shall we check the homework? Now look at the screen. I have given the answer for you. Now we are going to check your homework. What is the first question? You want to write up to down. A creeper plant that gives big, round and juicy fruit. You have in the picture also. What is that picture? Watermelon. What is that? Watermelon. You want to write up to down. There is the first one. No? You see beside I have given watermelon. What did you write? What is your answer, children? Say louder. If you write wrongly means you want to rub and write once again. That is watermelon. Look at the screen and write WATERMELON. You want to write up to down. Okay, each of the box you want to write one letters. WATERMELON. Okay. Second one. What is the second question? You want to write across. Kuruke. A shrub plant that is used to make clothes. Children, you have that picture, first picture. What is that? That is herb plant that is give us cloths. Cotton. Say louder. Cotton. Do you correct? Yes or no? Did you write correctly? Yes. Okay, now check the spelling. Cotton. COTTON. You see the screen, all of you? I have given that book picture. Beside you have the answer. Cotton. COTTON. Across. Kuruke you want to write. Okay. Next, third question. That also across. A tree that gives a one-seeded fruit which we love to eat in summer. This is summer fruit. Yes or no? May month we can buy it. Yes or no? Yes. What is that? Mango. Did you correct? Yes or no? Did you write correctly? Okay, now check the spelling. MANGO. MANGO. Okay, look at the picture and you can write. Fourth one, you want to write up to down. A water plant that floats over water. What is that? What is the correct answer? Read your answer, children. What is that? Fourth one. Lotus. LOTUS. Check your homework, all of you. Check the spelling. Lotus. Fifth one. What is the question? A climber plant that gives bunches of tiny fruits. You have picture also. What is that? You want to write up to down. Fifth one. Grape. What is that? Grape. 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 Fifth one. You want to write up to down. GRAPE. Have you checked, children? The last one, sixth one. A herb plant that gives a sweet juice. What is that? Beside you have the picture. What is that? Say louder. Sugar cane. What is that? Sugar cane. You want to write this across. Check the spelling, all of you. Sugarcane. S-U G-A-R-C-A-N-E. Sugarcane. Sugarcane. Have you checked, children? Check nicely. We are going to check next homework. Check soon, all of you. First one, watermelon. That is, you want to write up to down. Second one, cotton. Third one, mango. Fourth one, lotus. Fifth one, grape. Sixth one, sugarcane. Have you checked, children? Next page homework. B. Observe the given plants A, B, C, D, E, F and F carefully. Circle the plant with green crayon which has thin, green and soft stem. Children, have you circled the correct? Children, thin, green and soft stem. Which plant have in these pictures? You have 6 pictures. Did you circle it? What is that? Look at the screen. I have given the answer. You want to check? B and C. You want to circle with a green crayon. This is, what is that? Herb. Thin, green and soft stem. Okay, check your homework. Second one, circle the plant with red crayon which has thick, woody and brown stem. What is that? Tree. You have 2 pictures, A and F. Look at the screen and check your homework, children. A and F. Third one, circle the plant with blue crayon which has thin, woody and brown stem. Thin, woody and brown stem. They are, what is that? Shrubs. What is that? Shrubs. D and E. D and E. All of you check your homework. Have you checked, children? Okay, now we are going to next homework. Next homework, C. Given are some examples of different kinds of plants. Have you written, children? Yes, I hope you all are written this homework. Now, shall we check? I have given the answer. You can see in the screen. All of you look at the screen. Encircle the alphabets for the following. The first one, second alphabet of the creeper plant. Children, we want to circle the creeper plant second alphabet. In this example, which is the creeper plant in this example, children? Already I said God. Yes or no? In this example, second alphabet you want to circle. Now, shall we read the spelling? G-O-U-R-D. G-O-U-R-D. What is the second alphabet? O. What is the second alphabet? O. Now, second one, first alphabet of the tree. In this example, which is the tree? Coconut. Do you correct, children? Did you write correctly? Yes, second one, coconut. This is a tree. Now you want to circle first alphabet. Shall we read the spelling? C-O-C-O-N-U-T. Coconut. Now you want to circle the first alphabet. Which is the first alphabet in this coconut? C. Okay. Now third one, fourth alphabet of the herb plant. In this example, which is the herb plant? Rice. Are you correct? Rice. Okay, what is the spelling of rice? R-I-C-E. You want to circle the fourth alphabet. Which is the fourth alphabet in this rice? R-I-C-E. You want to circle fourth one, E. Okay, now fourth one, sixth alphabet of the climber plant. In this example, which is the climber plant? Grape vine. You want to circle the sixth alphabet. Shall we read the spelling? G-R-A-P-E-V-I-N-E. Now shall we count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. B. You want to circle the sixth alphabet, V. Okay. Fifth one, first alphabet of the shrub plant. In this example, we have shrub plant, that is lemon. You want to circle the first alphabet. What is the first alphabet? L. Okay, if you want, look at the screen. I have given. Okay, now next page you have 5 circles. Yes or no? Turn your page and look at that. Write these alphabet in given space. What word do you get? Shall we write this in this circle? Okay. What is the first one? Coconut. We circled C. What is that? C. Okay, now take and write in this circle C. The first circle you want to write C. Second circle you want to write the second one lemon. You circle the L. Yes or no? You want to put second circle L. Third one, what is that? God. You have circle O. You want to write in this circle O. Next one, grapevine. We circled V. We want to write in fourth V. Next one and last is the rice. We have circled E. You want to write E. Shall we read now? C L O V E. Look at the screen. You have, if you want, look at the screen and write cloud. What is the meaning of cloud? What is the meaning of cloud? Krambu. Okay, in Tamil, Krambu. Children, look at the screen. You can correct it your homework. Check the homework. Have you checked, children? Okay, very good. Next, it's your homework, page number 6. Hearts question. Children, open your book. Page number 6. This is your homework. Hearts question. Study the given flow chart carefully. Fill in the boxes using the given clues. Children, they give us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 clues. We want to use this. Okay. Now, look at the chart. First box, is it a big plant? Yes. You want to write in these clues. You want to write the tree in the first box. I will give one example for you. Is it a big plant? Yes. You want to write the first one. What is the big plant? Tree. Yes. Okay. Other all you want to write, I will give. Next one. Is it a big plant? No. What is that? Does it have woody stem? Yes. There is a box. You want to think and write. Another one. No. Can it grow straight up? Yes. The third box you want to write. Next one, no. Does it need a support of wall or stick to grow up? You know these all question. You have answer also. Clue, they are give us clues. You can take and write in this box. Last also you have one box. Okay children, this is your homework. Must write. This is also very interesting homework. I have given one example for you. The first one, other all you want to write. Now next page, page number 7. You have a picture. Now we are going to color. Okay. In the given picture, color the following plants. A tree, green. A creeper plant, red. A climber plant, orange. A water plant, pink. A herb plant, blue. Children, in this picture we have tree, creeper plant and climber plant, water plant, herb plant. We want to color with a tree means we want to color in green in color. Okay. In the picture you search all of you. Is there any tree? Yes, we have mango tree, banyan tree. Yes or no? Okay. Now creeper plant you want to color with red. Search the creeper plant and color with red. Then a climber plant with orange in color. Okay. Then a water plant you want to color pink. Then a herb plant you want to color blue. Okay, search the picture and color it nicely. Okay, they have given us instruction you want to color that same. Okay, are you understand children? Okay, color this picture and enjoy yourself. Now take your classwork note. All of you take soon. Now we are going to study Who Am I? Shall we study children? Have you opened? Yes. If you want, look at the screen. You have. Shall we read children? Keep your finger and say louder. Who am I? I grow from the stem. Say louder. I grow from the stem. Branch. B-R-A-N-C-H. Once again say the spelling. B-R-A-N-C-H. Branch. Second one. I am underground part of a tree. I am underground part of a tree. Root. R-O-O-T. Root. R-O-O-T. Root. Keep your finger and say louder. Third one. I am the kitchen of a plant. Leaf. L-E-A-F. Leaf. I am the kitchen of a plant. Leaf. L-E-A-F. Fourth one. I am big, tall and strong. Tree. T-R-E-E. T-R-E-E. Tree. Fifth one. I grow above the ground. I grow above the ground. Stem. S-T-E-M. Stem. Sixth one. I have green colored soft stem. I am a biggest herb. Banana plant. BANANA. Banana. PLANT. Plant. Banana plant. Seventh one. I need support to grow. Climbers. 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 Eighth one. I am a beautiful part of a plant. Flower. 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 Ninth one. I carry water to other parts of plant. Stem. 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 Tenth one. I have spines, prickles on me. Thorny plant. THORNY. Thorny plant. 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 Thorny plant. Okay children, now every day you want to read your classwork note and read the books. I will ask the question one day. You want to get ready for the test. Okay children, study the classwork. You have meanings, answer the following, and who am I. In the book, in the workbook you have many. You want to study well. Okay children.